Are you tired of those pesky gray hairs taking over your natural hair? Well, look no further. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Bigen Semi-Permanent Hair Color, the ultimate solution for covering gray hairs on natural hair. Firstly, let's take a look at what I'm doing here. I'm applying the hair dye and I am placing the hair into a little clip. I did this all over my head and speeded it up for you. But here I am here, I'm placing a plastic bag on my head. As you see, it does not fit. So here's my little trick. I like to use a bag from the store, place it on my head, and yes, we are good to go. Yes, that's what I do. Okay, so here's my Amazon dryer that I got online. I set everything on high, and for 20 minutes I sit under this dryer. Yeah! So say goodbye to those gray hairs and hello to beautiful, vibrant, and youthful looking hair with Bigen Semi-Permanent Hair Color. No more gray! So this is my wash and go after I'm all finished, and I'm using a shirt to dry my hair. Thanks for watching my ultimate review of Bigen Semi-Permanent Hair Color. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips and product reviews.